Hello everyone, today, I'd like to introduce the Vault Manager software. It uses a hardware key similar to a bank's security key to create hardware-encrypted vault files. Users can store their important data files inside these vaults, achieving highly secure data preservation. When using such a vault file, only the owner's security key can decrypt and open it. With Vault Manager, everyday users can easily achieve data security on par with a bank vault. Additionally, the Vault file features native Windows support, allowing it to be decrypted and opened directly with the security key even without Vault Manager installed, ensuring exceptional stability and reliability. Vault Manager allows you to create three types of Vault files. 1. Password-encrypted Vault files. This type can be generated directly by Vault Manager, without requiring a security key and license. It is suitable for transferring important data between two individuals. 2. Hardware-encrypted Vault files. Creating this type requires both a security key and a license. It is ideal for various scenarios, such as secure personal cloud storage, safe data transmission over the internet, or local secure storage of important data. This type is highly recommended. 3. Dual protected Vault files password plus hardware encryption. This type also requires a security key and a license to generate. It is best suited for individuals to securely store large volume backup data locally. Security key. Currently supported security keys include YubiKey5 and Kanagi. Users need to purchase them separately. Next, we will demonstrate how to create and use a password-encrypted Vault file. We will use the following scenario as an example. Alice saves her important data in a password-encrypted Vault file and sends it to Bob. After receiving the file, Bob decrypts it using the password and gains access to the important data files inside. First, Alice uses the Create a Personal Vault File function to create a password-encrypted Vault file. Right-click on an empty area in Windows. Click the Create a Personal Vault File option in the context menu. In the Vault File Parameters Settings interface, select the save location, size, and encryption protection settings for the Vault file. Here, we use CTESTPWD VHD as the save location. Set the size to 50 megabytes. Choose Password Protection and set the password test1234. After completing the settings, click the Create Vault File button. After a period of time, the Vault file is mounted as a virtual disk drive D. Alice can begin storing important data in this virtual disk drive D. After use, unmount the virtual disk, and its contents are automatically written back to the Vault file. Alice can then send the testpwd.vhd Vault file to Bob through various methods. After receiving the Vault file, Bob double-clicks it. The Vault Manager proceeds to load the file. The Vault file is mounted as an unencrypted virtual disk. The user then selects the appropriate opening method and enters the password in the Vault file interface. Choose Open Vault file using System built-in method here. Click the Open Vault file button. Enter the decryption password test1234. Click the Unlock button. Once successfully decrypted, Bob can read and use the important data stored in the vault file, as well as store new important data. After use, unmount the virtual disk. The contents will be automatically written back to the vault file. Of course, if Bob's computer does not have Vault Manager installed, he can also manually open the Vault file, using the system's built-in method. First, locate the Vault file to be managed. Right-click on the testpwd.vhd file. Select the Windows Explorer option. The system mount the Vault file as an unencrypted virtual disk drive D. Double-click this virtual disk. Enter the decryption password test1234. Click the Unlock button. After successful decryption, double-click the virtual disk drive D. Bob can read and use the important data stored in the Vault file, as well as store new important data. After use, unmount the virtual disk. The contents will be automatically written back to the Vault file. Next, we will demonstrate how to create and use a hardware encrypted Vault file. This demonstration will use the following scenario. Alice creates a hardware encrypted Vault file and stores important data in it. Subsequently, after performing hardware decryption on the Vault file, she will be able to access and utilize the important data stored within. To create a hardware encrypted Vault file, Alice needs to use a license from a security key. When using the security key for the first time, the license must be written into the security key. First, Alice inserts the security key into the computer. Right-clicks on an empty area in Windows. Selects the Write License option from the context menu. In the license writing configuration interface, needs to specify the writing location, the specific path to the license file, the license password, and management key options. For this example, the writing location is set to slot 1. Using the trial license built into the Vault Manager, trial.license located in the user directory. After completing these settings, click the Write License button. After a period of time, the license has been written to the security key. Following the prompt, we need to remove the security key and reinsert it to activate the newly written license for use. Next, Alice uses the Create a Personal Vault File function to create a hardware encrypted vault file. Right-clicks on an empty area in Windows. Selects the Create a Personal Vault File option. In the Vault File Parameter Settings interface, configures the save location, size, and encryption protection options. For this demonstration, the Vault file is set to be saved as C, test.vhd, 1 GB in size. Using Smart Card Protection, clicks the Create Vault File button. In the subsequent license management interface, select the license. Select the security key slot 1 license. Click the Select License button. After a period of time, the Vault file is mounted as virtual disk drive D. Alice can now begin storing important data in this virtual disk drive D. After use, unmount the virtual disk. Its contents will be automatically written back to the Vault file. Alice can use the test sc.vhd Vault file for secure cloud storage, safe internet transmission, or local secure storage without worrying about data leaks. This type of Vault file is highly recommended for use. Later, when Alice needs to access the important data, she double-clicks the Vault file. The Vault Manager loads the file as a virtual disk drive D. In the Vault file opening interface, select an opening method. Select Open Vault file using System built-in method. Click the Open Vault file button. Click the Use Smart Code button. Enter the security keys PIN. Click the OK button. At this point, the security keys indicator light is blinking. Alice needs to perform a secondary physical touch confirmation. After successful decryption, Alice can read and use the important data in the Vault file, as well as store new important data. After use, and mount the virtual disk. The contents will be automatically written back to the Vault file. Of course, if Alice's computer does not have Vault Manager installed, she can manually open the Vault file using the system's built-in method. First, locate the Vault file to be mounted. Right-click on the test sc.vhd file. Select Windows Explorer option. The system will automatically mount the Vault file as an unencrypted virtual disk drive D. Double-click this virtual disk. Click the Use Smart Code button. Enter the security keys PIN. Click the OK button. At this point, the security keys indicator light is blinking. Alice needs to perform a secondary physical touch confirmation. After successful decryption, the unencrypted virtual disk drive D becomes the decrypted virtual disk. Double-click the virtual disk drive D. Alice can read and use the important data stored in the Vault file, as well as store new important data. After use, unmount the virtual disk. The contents will be automatically written back to the Vault file. 1. Users can directly create password-encrypted Vault files using Vault Manager. 2. With a security key and the built-in trial license in Vault Manager, users can create hardware-encrypted Vault files. 3. After a satisfactory trial experience, users can purchase a formal license to access the full functionality of Vault Manager. If you are interested in purchasing a formal license, require technical consultation, or need customized development for corporate clients, please contact us at GoldenVaultSystem@gmail.com. The presentation is over. Thank you for watching.